Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be discussing about pre-C courses for deck officers. Aspiring candidates to join Merchant Navy as a deck officer can join any of these courses. There are total 3 courses to choose from. 1 year pre-C diploma in nautical science leading to BSc nautical science, 3 year BSc degree in nautical science, or a 4 year BSc nautical technology. Let's discuss each course in detail. First is DNS course or 1 year pre-C diploma in nautical science. After completing 1 year of diploma in institute and 18 months on-board ship training plus 4 months preparatory course plus required modular courses, you can appear for written and oral exams of second mate COC or certificate of competency exams. Maximum age limit for this course is 25 years. Minimum academic qualification for this course is pass in 10+2 or equivalent exams with physics, chemistry, mathematics and English with PCM average not less than 60% or BSc in physics, mathematics, chemistry or electronics with physics with an average of not less than 55%, or BE or BTech degree from IIT or from a college recognized by AICTE with an average of not less than 50%. The candidate should have obtained 50% marks in English at 10th or 12th or in degree course conducted by recognized board or any university. Selection to these courses and admission will be through Common Entrance Test or CET conducted by Indian Maritime University. 2 batches are conducted in a year commencing on January or February or July or August batch every year. These are the institutes which offer this course. Next is 3 year BSc degree in nautical science. After completing 3 years degree in institute and 12 months on-board ship training plus 4 months preparatory courses and some requisite modular courses, you can appear for oral exams of second mate COC. Maximum age limit for this course is 25 years. Minimum academic qualification is pass 10+2 or equivalent exams with physics, chemistry, mathematics, English with a physics average of not less than 60% and 50% marks in English at 10-12th exams. These are the institutes which offer this course. Next is 4 year BS Nautical Technology course. Maximum age for this course is 25 years and minimum academic qualification required for this course is pass 10+2 or equivalent exams with physics, chemistry, maths, English and PCM average not less than 60% and at least 50% marks in English at 10th or 12th exams. Now the question is which course to choose. One is a diploma course and other 2 are degree courses. There is no difference in salaries of a diploma holder and a degree holder on ship. In fact, many students choose diploma course as it saves time and money and you can still get BSc degree by giving some exams. That's it for deck courses. For any doubt, comment below. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and also follow us on Instagram.